Live from Montreal, 20 days before Aeromart. Let's have a look to DeepSight, one of the amazing startups that will be showcased there. Welcome on board.
Thank you. So DeepSight, we're a Montreal-based software company, and we're deploying the DeepSight platform. It's an operational lifecycle management system that leverages augmented reality and AI. So what we do is we help manufacturers extract and centralize all the technical knowledge of their most experienced workers before they leave for retirement. We know every manufacturing company needs to document procedures, but it takes a lot of effort and lots of time to do so. So with DeepSight, an expert will wear smart glasses and execute a task, will record the procedure, and using AI will generate automatically an SOP using text, audio, video available in multiple languages that will facilitate the transfer of knowledge for new technicians or new operators. So companies in the aerospace sector, they have critical processes or specific expertise that will soon be out of the company. They can use DeepSight. It can be for audits, training, maintenance, even safety and health and safety procedures. There's many ways DeepSight can optimize efficiency and productivity.
Clear and loud. As a conclusion, why are you coming to Aeromart? What are you looking for? Are you looking for investors, distributors, vendors, and of course, which profile of end users are you targeting?
So the end user of the DeepSight solution will be manufacturing clients or OEM, but we're also looking for integration partners that want to offer the DeepSight platform as a value-added services at the international level.
All right. Okay. So if we want to have much more information on your website, of course, on the LinkedIn community, and of course, Aeromart community all years long. Thank you very much, Philippe Thimineur from DeepSight.
Thank you.